So I'm in Blender and I want to merge two very close vertices together. As you can see, if I zoom out a bit, they look like kind of one, but when you go in, they're not connected. And I wanted to share this because the old way to do it has changed just a little, and I wanted to make sure that there was a video on how to do it. So I've got the two vertices selected. I'm in edit mode and vertice mode. So if you're not, make sure you've got both this and this selected. And then I'm going to rectangle select. So I just have my move tool on, that's fine for the selection, and grab both vertices. Then if you are in Blender 2.83 or more, the shortcut is now just the letter M on your keyboard instead of Alt M. So it used to be Alt M, now it's just M. So if I select M now, I'll get the merge, and I can merge at center. Here, let me get out of the way. Merge at center between those 2 points, at cursor, which I don't even know where my cursor is right now, so not that, or collapse, or by distance. I think the easiest is pretty clear. It's at center, so that's what I'm going to do. And there we go. They have been connected. And now they are one, and I've filled in that hole. So that's all. I hope this helped, and I'll see you in another video.